One of the biggest questions homeowners ask is how can a basement renovation cost so much money, or any other project for that matter? So today I want to pull back the curtain and show you exactly what goes into pricing a project. We're going to be using a basement renovation as an example. Now, the first category is materials. Most people immediately think of flooring, drywall, trim, and paint, but that's only part of the picture. Materials also include framing, lumber, the insulation, fasteners, sheetrock, doors, moldings, electrical materials, plumbing materials, dust protection, dumpsters, and all the small items that are necessary to complete the project correctly. On a typical basement, material costs alone can easily reach tens of thousands of dollars. The second category is labor. This is where many homeowners underestimate the true cost of a project. So a basement renovation requires skilled carpenters, drywall installers, your painters, you have electricians, plumbers, flooring installers, and sometimes HVAC technicians. This is just one of many. Now, in this example, we're tracking the labor hours required for each phase of the project by day, 8-hour days. We have labor it's not just paying somebody to swing a hammer. It includes, you got payroll taxes, you have workers' compensation insurance, liability insurance, vacation time, sick time, you have training costs, vehicles, fuel, tools, these all go into that. Your third category, let's say overhead, that's another big expense. This is probably the most misunderstood cost in construction. Whether a construction company sells a project or not, we still have expenses every day. Office staff, project managers, estimators, office rent, software, insurances, vehicles, marketing, phones, fuel, permits, accounting, I can keep going. All these expenses are required to keep a professional company operating. In our company, we calculate an overhead cost for every working day on a project. Other companies might do it differently, and that's fine. Once materials, labor, and overhead are calculated, we get to our total job cost. But we're not done yet there. A business also has to, of course, generate a profit. Without profits, there is no money to reinvest in better employees, better systems, better service, offer our warranties, keep our equipment up to date, future growth. This is a project margin that's added to the end of the project. In our case, we also pay commissions to sales team and project management team. So those commissions create accountability and also help ensure the project is sold properly and managed properly from start to finish, which is extremely important, as most people would know. Now, when homeowners see the final contract price, they're only looking at the number, sticker shocked a lot of the times, which is understandable. What they're not seeing is the material cost, labor cost, overhead cost, profit, and commissions that all go into delivering a professional renovation experience. The goal isn't to find the cheapest contractor. The goal is to understand what you're paying for and make sure you're comparing the scope of work, not just the price. Follow us for more contractor tips, renovation advice, and homeowner education.